I just uploaded a video a few minutes ago about governing member David Splain. This is another governing body member. We'll see in a minute. King James Bible, Proverbs 10:28 and 29 says, "The hope of the righteous shall be gladness, but the expectation of the wicked shall perish. The way of the Lord is strength to the upright, but destruction shall be to the workers of iniquity." As you can see in the scripture above, if you start with a K in wicked, that's appropriate, and count every 20 letters, it spells out K. Cook. Kenneth Cook is one of the governing body members of Jehovah's Witnesses. I wouldn't like to be in your shoes, Kenneth Cook, with that Bible code next to your name. The thing is, all my enemies, I always found bad codes about them, but I've never found James or Hashi encoded in a bad way, unless it's me going against Watchtower. So the K in wicked is interesting. That's not the wicked shall perish. The way of the Lord is strength to the upright, but the destruction shall be to the workers of iniquity, which will be on the 3rd of August 2025. That's when I take Watchtower down in the governing body. Yay! Good. And all the apostates will be my friends for once, instead of blooming well ignoring me. Like Kim Mikey, Winston Gillen, Lloyd. Yeah, you made fun of me on Twitter. I said I was Elijah. He goes, "Who, you Elijah, are you?" Yeah, flipping when am, mate. Goodbye for now.